Hello. She's going to play the Scary Maze game for the first time of her life. And this is great. This is Jasmine Keefe. Nice to meet you. Why would I post this? Oh, yeah, this is fun.
Is it a moan?
No. No.
Why am I shaking?
Why is your ass shaking?
It's a beauty shake.
You on?
Oh!
You missed those. So you had to do something? So you have to do it again?
Yeah.
It's like the thing.
Don't.
Oh.
Turn up your sound. Is your sound up? I swear to God, if a clown pops out, Christina, this computer is going on your head.
That's
her head. Her head. Oh, I messed up. What am I supposed to go to so I can hear this crazy thing?
No, you just have to play the game. Like, if you don't pass level 3, like, nobody's never been to level 4. Like, nobody. I almost did, but I touched the black line, and I had to.
I'm gonna get to level 4.
You're gonna get to level 4? If you say so. Did you lose?
Count 3.
Oh, you have to concentrate on number 3. Okay, shh. Okay, shh. Just go there. I'll be quiet. Just do it.
I don't know this part.
You said you wanted to do it. You said you wanted to.
I'm Jasmine and I just got the shit scared out.
She just got scared. Icky.
Get her off the screen.
Yeah, I know. What? Isn't she ugly? Isn't she? No. Isn't she? Aww. Isn't she gorgeous?
No.
Oh.